Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie Locke, and this is my Module 1 introduction video for EDL 851. The first question, why do I want to become a principal? I want to make more of a difference. I've been an ag teacher now for 7 years, and I know that I've been making a difference. I've had students come back, but I feel as a principal, I'll be better able to make more of a difference and even have more of an impact. And I believe that my leadership skills can be put to further use um, as a principal and in that administrative role. My personal experience supervising other people, I am the FFA advisor, and so I host a milk quality CDE for our district. And as the host, I'm in charge of everything getting together, supervising the people, supervising students, and all of that. I also host a community service day, which our community service day is actually tomorrow. So I've been getting all of that together. I take all of the junior high and high school students, as well as junior high and high school teachers here at my school, and send them off to do different community service projects in the community. In college, I worked in retail, and every once in a while, I would be placed in charge of a group of workers when the actual paid supervisor wasn't there. Um, and so I had some supervising experience there. When I look at my personal experience with past evaluations that I've gotten, I think my evaluations for the most part have been positive. There was one that I had a former principal that I don't think he understood my job very well and what it actually takes to be an ag teacher and what you have to do every day. And so I did not agree with some of his comments about my teaching. But I do always try to learn from the evaluations that are given to me. Good or bad, you can always find something positive in it. You can always grow from them. And I think that's one thing that, teachers always get very anxious about evaluations and worried about, is my job on the line and that kind of stuff. But if you're doing what you need to do, you're going to be able to, get through those evaluations. And I think as a principal, you should, on the flip side, understand that, evaluations can drag up some anxiety for teachers. And so that's one thing that I hope to, as a principal, be able to do is to help ease anxiety of teachers when it comes to evaluations. Thank you for watching. I look forward to learning in this class from everyone and continuing the education that I've gotten so far with Fort Hays. Thank you.